Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to install the HP Deskjet 3835 printer driver on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, what I've got here is an HP Deskjet ANtarcticbreeze 3835 printer, and I'm going to show you how to install it using the USB connection on this Asus Ryzen 3 laptop. So for starters, you need to open up a web browser on your computer. In this example, I'm going to use Google Chrome. And then you need to do a search for the HP printer model number with the word driver included. So in this example, it'll be HP Deskjet ANtarcticbreeze 3835 and then the word driver or drivers. Then you can just do that Google search, and the best match should be the HP support webpage for that printer. But if you don't get this webpage, I'll also leave this link in my written guide, and you can get that from the description of this video. But once you're on the web page, you can just close any pop-ups and accept the cookies, and then you can check that it's detected the correct operating system. For me, I need to change this operating system to Windows 11 because it's detected Windows 10, but I have Windows 11 installed. And then you can choose to install it using this HP Smart app that you can get from the Microsoft Store. But I'm looking for the full web pack, the full software driver suite. And I thought that I might find it here under the product installation software, but it's actually below the software utility menu. And what I'm looking for is this print and scan driver and the accessories. So I'll download that by clicking on download. And then I'm just going to choose the downloads folder and then click on save. And it's then going to download that driver to the computer. I'll just exit out of that pop-up. And then I'll go to the downloads and then click on that downloaded driver to launch the installation. Now it should then start extracting those files. And once it's finished extracting, it's going to launch the printer driver installation wizard. And on this first screen, you can just click on continue. Then you can click on this checkbox to accept the terms and then click on accept. And for these settings, you can accept them if you want. I'm just going to click no thanks to all of these. And then it's going to start installing that HP Deskjet 3830 series basic printer driver. And this includes the printer driver and the scanner driver. And then the other components that's going to get installed here is the HP Dropbox plugin, as well as the HP Google Drive plugin. Now once that's finished, you'll have these connection options. You can choose automatic setup if you want. I'm going to be using the manual setup. And then I'll click on next. And now you can choose between wireless, USB, or you can connect it later. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be using USB, so I'll select that and then click on next. And now we need to connect the USB cable from the printer to the computer. So I'll take the USB cable and then plug it into the computer. And then the software will say that it's detecting the USB connection and installing those drivers. And we'll just need to wait for it to finish. Now on this first attempt, it was unsuccessful and it couldn't connect it via the USB cable. So I'm just going to remove the cable from the computer. And then I'll click on retry. And then I'm going to connect the cable to the computer again. And keep in mind your printer has to be switched on when you connect it to the computer. And this time it should install successfully. But if you keep having issues with the detection of the USB printer, then what I suggest you do is that you just connect it to another USB port on your computer and then it should work. So as you can see, it's now finished installing it and it's continuing with the other setup prompts that we're going to get throughout this process. Now next up we have this fax setup wizard. I'm not going to be using fax on this printer, so I'll just skip this. And then you can give HP some more info about your device. I'm just going to skip this as well. It's going to continue with the installation process. And next it's going to open a web page for you to activate the printer on the HP website. Now, to me, it seems that this is bugged because it's not actually loading up the web page and it looks like this is just broken. So I'm just going to exit out of this and then close this window because the printer and scanner driver has already been installed at this point. And this is just some registration info that we really don't need to go through. So once you've closed that, you can just exit out of the browser as well. And now you'll see that you'll have this shortcut on your desktop. And if you double click on that, it's going to launch the HP Printer Assistant. And here you can have a look at some print settings, as well as you can do a scan, and you can see the ink levels for the printer. Now I'm just going to exit out of that, and I want to launch the Devices and Printers window. So to do that, I'll just click on the Start button and then do a search for Control Panel, and then open the Control Panel app. And to get to the old Devices and Printers, what you need to do is just change this View By setting to small or large icons. I'll change it to small icons and then click on that little arrow up there and then click on Devices and Printers. And here we can see that we have two of these printers. Now, one of them got automatically installed by the Windows 11 software. It basically installed it through Windows Update. And the other one is the one we installed by using the HP printer driver. So I'll just right click on that device and then click on Printer Properties. And I just want to print a test page. So I'll click on Print Test Page. And in a moment, you should see that test page get printed out. And I'm also just going to set this printer as the default by right clicking on it and then clicking on Set Printer as Default. And I'll just click on OK for this prompt from Windows. Now next, we're just going to do a test scan. And to do that, you can launch the HP Printer Assistant by double clicking on the desktop shortcut and then clicking on Scan. And then you want to click on Scan a document or photo. It's going to open this HP Scan software. And what I like to do is I like to pin this app to the taskbar by right clicking on it and then clicking on Pin to Taskbar. So you don't have to use the desktop shortcut every time you want to get to this HP Scan software right here. So to do the scan, just click on Scan. And it's then going to start the scan. And then once it's finished scanning, you should see this preview here on the left. And if you're happy with it, you can just click on Save. So you can save the scan. And I'm just going to save this to the desktop and give it a name of Scan Test. And I'm just going to open that test scan that we just did with Adobe Reader as it's a PDF file. And then I'll just accept these terms. And there we have the printed Windows Printer test page that we scanned as a test scan. So that's how you can install the HP Deskjet 3835 drivers. And I hope this quick guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll talk to you guys soon.